Well, how are we looking if we're going out for a hike? Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan back with us. Hey.
Well, lots of great state parks across the region to do hiking. You got some in Santa Cruz County, like Henry Cowell, Forest of Nicene Marks in Monterey County. You mentioned Garrapata State Park there as well. And plenty around the area to choose from, and all of them will be nice and warm as we head through the next couple of days. The big reason is high pressure building into the northwest and the clockwise flow around that high, pushing that dry northerly flow for us here on the central coast. It's helped keep our marine layer mixed out and low clouds away, which is some good news if you like sunshine. We typically expect to get a few nice sunny weeks on the coast this time of year, and it is here maybe a little bit later than you're used to, but it will be here for the weekend, which is looking pretty nice for us. Now, there are some other impacts from that offshore flow, including the increase in fire weather, and there are red flag warnings for the North Bay Hills because of these offshore winds. Now, they're not going to be all that strong, and certainly even more strong up to the north than they will be down here in our viewing area, but enough so that the fire danger is high enough, at least in the North Bay, to keep those fire alerts in place. Locally, no alerts in place, but fire danger will be elevated as that dry wind continues over the next couple of days. Now, we may actually see some smoke from fires in the Sierra, too. That offshore flow may push a little bit of smoke back toward us here on the central coast. I don't expect anything crazy or major impacts in our air quality or anything. You might just get a little bit of haze in the air every once in a while for the next couple of days. But generally speaking, not as bad as it was this past weekend when we had quite a bit of smoke hanging over us. The skies are going to stay mostly clear overnight. It's possible we could see a little patch of fog around the peninsula tomorrow morning, but I don't think we'll see much. Throughout the day tomorrow, we're going to get an offshore push in the morning, so that's going to warm us up pretty quickly tomorrow morning. You'll see temperatures on the beaches reaching the 70s by late morning, so if you're walking the dog or just walking yourself or your children on the beaches tomorrow, if they're not in school, whatever your situation is. Anyway, it looks really nice. There'll be a bit of a sea breeze kicking in the afternoon to keep the air conditioning on, but generally another warm day for us on the central coast. And we'll notice it certainly up in the hills. Santa Cruz County will go up to Boulder Creek tomorrow, 91 for your high, 90 in Ben Lomond. Down on the coast, though, 83 downtown Santa Cruz. It'll be close to 80 on the boardwalk as well, so it'll be pretty toasty there. 80 also in the Esplanade in Capitola. 80s all the way up at the summit. Nice warm day across Santa Cruz County. How about farther south and east? Watsonville to Salinas in the low 80s tomorrow. Upper 70s closer to the coast. We'll find some 90s if you head inland to Gilroy or Hollister. And back to the peninsula, another warm day for us around the Monterey region, mid-70s. 80 tomorrow in Carmel. Goodness gracious, you could go down to that nice white sandy beach there in Carmel and catch some relief from that big 8-0 there, that's for sure. 71 in Pacific Grove. That's a pretty warm day for Pacific Grove. Some Pacific Grove folks probably call that a hot day. So cool yourself off accordingly. Farther south, we'll see highs reaching the 80s and 90s tomorrow in some of our southern valleys. But notice the inland temperatures aren't all that different from the coast. So nice warm one out there. As we look at the next 7, the temperatures on the coast really not going anywhere. I'm not seeing much of a pattern change. We might get some bursts of cooler air on the coast at times, but generally I'm expecting highs to be about 5 degrees above normal for the next several days. We'll see an uptick in high clouds at least as we head out of the weekend, and maybe some low clouds returning as well. So we've got us cooling off a little bit out of the weekend. Inland area is also pretty toasty. We should be around 83 this time of year for our inland forecast high, so we're going to be above that for the next 4 or 5 days. We're going to cool off a bit early next week, and there is some potential for maybe some rain late next week. We're watching some indications in the computer models that this pattern breaks down, letting some rain through the door, so we're going to keep an eye on that for you.